Welcome to the heart of Shenzhen's jewelry trade. Today, we're exploring one of the largest pearl wholesale markets in Shuibei, known for its stunning collections, unbeatable prices, and endless variety of pearls. If you've ever wanted to see where high-quality pearls are sourced and traded, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. We've just arrived at Shuibei, the jewelry district of Shenzhen, where countless wholesale shops and factories supply pearls to buyers worldwide. Walking into the market, you're immediately surrounded by sparkling displays, massive selections, and expert traders negotiating deals. Here, you can find every type of pearl imaginable: freshwater pearls, saltwater pearls, Tahitian pearls, Akoya pearls, and even South Sea pearls. Each has its own unique color, texture, and pricing, depending on size and luster. Many vendors specialize in customized pearl jewelry, allowing you to design your own necklaces, bracelets, or earrings right on the spot. If you're buying in bulk, this is the place to be. Many retailers offer wholesale pricing, meaning the more you buy, the better the price. For wholesale buyers, most vendors require a minimum purchase of 5 pieces to access bulk pricing. The price per pearl drops significantly for larger orders, making this a great place for jewelry businesses to source high-quality materials at competitive rates. Even if you're just shopping for a personal piece, you can still negotiate a good deal. The key is to compare quality between vendors and ask about certification for authenticity. Apart from pearls, this market also features high-end gemstone jewelry, silver, and jade. Some stores even offer a behind-the-scenes look at how pearls are graded, drilled, and turned into beautiful accessories. Whether you're looking for traditional elegance or modern designs, you'll find one-of-a-kind jewelry pieces here. When buying pearls in a wholesale market, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Check the luster and surface of the pearls. Higher quality pearls have fewer blemishes and a deep, rich glow. Ask about pricing per gram or per piece, as rates vary between vendors. Many vendors only accept cash, WeChat Pay, and Alipay. If you're not an expert in pearls, bring someone who understands jewelry quality to help with selection. This massive wholesale market is divided into multiple floors, each specializing in different types of jewelry. Here's what you'll find on each level. On the first floor, most of the shops are individual stalls, primarily selling loose pearls. This floor also has a certification center and several accessory shops, making it very convenient. After buying pearls, you can take them to the first floor for authenticity testing. Taking the elevator to the second floor, you'll find that from the second to the fourth floor, the market is dominated by high-end jewelry boutiques. In addition to pearls, there are also jade and colored gemstones available. The upper floors have a larger selection of premium saltwater pearls. If you're looking for finished pearl jewelry, one of the best ways to shop is to select pearls from an upstairs store and then purchase the necessary accessories from the shops downstairs. This method can help you save a significant amount of money. It's highly recommended to buy from larger stores, as they provide better after-sales service and more security in case of any issues. Whether you're a jewelry designer, business owner, or simply a pearl lover, Shuibei's Pearl Wholesale Market is a must-visit destination. It's where tradition meets modern luxury, and where you can walk away with some of the finest pearls at the best prices. What do you think of this pearl market? Have you ever bought pearls from a wholesale market before? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Shenzhen market adventures. Subscribe to NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travels!